Tesco Clubcard is a loyalty program that lets you earn points on purchases. To earn points in store, you can present your physical club card or use the Tesco app. Open the app and display the barcode on your phone. At the till, select Club Card and scan the barcode. You'll earn 1 point for every pound spent on most items. Some items offer double points or boost offers for even more points. In 2025, the app has been updated for quicker scanning at self-service tills, reducing checkout times. This is a great way to save money and take advantage of sales or promotions you already planned on buying. You can redeem your accumulated club card points for vouchers or boosted rewards. For example, exchange 1,000 points for a 10-pound voucher usable in store. Access digital coupons through the Tesco app or website. These offers provide discounts on specific items. In store, select My Offers on the till or scan your club card to automatically apply available coupons. Points can also be boosted for higher value rewards through partnerships. To redeem, scan your club card barcode at checkout and select the reward. Using a combination of coupon and point redemptions is the best way to maximize the benefits of your Tesco Club Card.